pretty much the same set every night. And then tonight, well, the morning I wake up with a sickness, decide to change it all up. This song is called Moon Blossom. Yeah, we're on tour. We come from Montreal, Quebec, Canada, and we're touring a very well-respected album called When I Pay My Masterpiece. Still an underground album. This is the first song on it.